Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. In this week's vlog, we have a challenge for Steve and Blake. They've got to transform this car in 4 hours. So, nice array of parts being fitted to this M135i. The guys have actually already started it, the exhaust is already done. We've just sent them away for a quick coffee break because they've really got to smash this one out. Next, I believe, is going to be bumper off to do the grille and canards, also take the M Performance copy kit off and start adding the Maxton kit, the springs, the wheels already started to go through the process of having the tyres swapped over. So keep watching back. We're going to pop back every few hours just to see where the guys are at. But literally, they have under 4 hours now to get this thing finished.
Right, so then Blake, you are an hour and 15 minutes into this car. Talk us through what stage you're at so far.
So we've had the front bumper off, we've done the canards, the gloss black grille, we've stripped off the fake M Performance kit, we've fitted some stock side skirts ready for the Maxton kit to go on, and then we've just had the rear bumper off and fitted the Maxton rear diffuser.
So in the bay today, we've had this stunning BMW 340i in for a one-day detail. Now what that consists of is pretty much the highlight of it is a gloss enhancement. Now that's exactly what this has done to it, and again, as you can see from the paintwork, it looks absolutely amazing. Now you must stress that this is not going to be correcting your car, it's not going to be taking swells out, but what it will do is it will lift that paintwork, it will bring that metallic out, make it shine even more, just like we've done with this one today. Now this one's come in really good condition actually. The customer does look after this car, but not only do you get your paintwork done by machine polisher, but you also get the interior cleaned up, you get the exterior all decontaminated before the machine polishing commences, and also C2V free paintwork sealant all over the car as well. And you keep the bottle too. So have a look around the car, let us know what you think down below.
So complete, the guys did it, congratulations, smashed it out the park as ever. This car came to us with a copy M Performance body kit and it didn't fit for toffee. Took it off, added the Maxton kit. So Maxton front, Maxton sides, Maxton rear valance, diffuser, and the rear side spats. Really keep that gloss black theme going. While the bumper was off to fit the front valance, changed the grille out and the lower canards for the gloss black genuine M Performance parts. They just really lift this car. The car had too much going on. The BMW always do this with this different colour kidney grille and such. To eliminate that, having the black works well. Aero flicks were already in place, we didn't touch that. Lowering it on the I-back springs, doing a wheel and tyre swap out from the original 19-inch wheels to our M-W1s, finished in the Neodyme Gold, looks stunning. And of course with the 3D cap, which is a new addition to the M-W1s, really gives that wheel that more unique look and a bit more of a sort of tailored modification for your wheel. Guys also fitted the Remus Race system, so we'll do a few rev clips of that one into a minute, with the black titanium tailpipe, which is a newer tailpipe for this year, or late 24 to 25. On the F40 M135i's, and if you see the bit of detail in the tailpipe, it's almost very close colour to the wheels. Then it leads me back to the badges. If you look at the wing badges, we've now changed them out for the black and the gold ones, which I believe are off the BMW XMI60. I think that's what they were getting them from. But it just completes that sort of white, gloss black and gold theme. Absolutely stunning car. The guys obviously had to get it quick wash. That didn't make it in the 4-hour time slot, but of course you had to get that done for the B-roll. Overall, this car looks great. We're still really pleased with seeing a lot of the F40s coming through. When the F40 first came out, we were worried they weren't really going to sort of translate into much because the F20 140i's was such a popular car. Now we're really starting to see these coming to their own. Question is, will the F70 do conversions like this in the next few months or few weeks coming soon? On that note, stay tuned because we have a lovely F70 in the vlog very soon.